Hello guys, Dr. Kuro Fix here. Today, these items I'm showing here, these parts, if you have a used one around, you never throw them away again, because I'm gonna be using it to transform into a very expensive piece which you can use in different location, in your home, in your office. And the fun part of it is when they're bad, you often throw them away. So this is gonna be one of those video which you might want to recommend to your friends who owns a car and change this struts, rear hub, brake rotor, and some other parts. So let's dive into the creative way which I'm gonna be using it to turn it into a beautiful piece that you should do yourself. So this is, technically speaking, a DIY project. So without wasting your time, let's get in. Now, just like I was showing at the previous time here, I wouldn't be talking much, so I'm just gonna be showing you some of the things which I'm gonna be doing here, explaining to you. Then I shut up, then you watch. Here I'm knocking out the studs, which I also recommend you do. You might also leave them. It's gonna be fanciful to be, later on at the end of this video, you might know the reason why you might want to leave it back. But here I'm gonna be removing these very ears and every every other factory fitted stuff that is with this very structure. So I advise you do the same. So enjoy the video with the I hope you like the music. Keep you company while you're watching. So guys, I'll see you around. Tell me what you think in the comment section, because this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna be talking about this on this very video, on this very project here. Anyone should be able to do it. There's a whole lot that comes with you having a welding tool. It sparks a creativity. If you are someone who is creative before, you can blow up, you can do a lot of things, you can build a lot of things. So this is just the beginning of me building things using my welding machines. So guys, I'll see you around. Yeah, this is one of those crazy instructions. Yes, RF. This guy again, man. You come out exhaust now. No, you not come out one.
Yeah, come out, but no, you come out on the push more.
Okay. How much are these bikers they make to? This is your crank, shocks. This is your rear wheel hub, and this is your brake rotor. Okay, guys, I hope you got it.